Okay. No, actually, no. Let's not do action stuff. Yeah, we're gonna do action, but not like actual punch. And,
Okay.
So now, what we're gonna put? Let's sit there and make some book. Let's just do this as your first paper. With your stack of paper
Okay,
under
nice. The book.
here. No, let's just say that you just have a plain book. Like you just bought a plain book and you want to make a comic. So don't forget, you need a pencil and an eraser.
Mm-hmm.
And let's say that your name is Alex.
To make the cover.
Yeah. So you just put your name on top.
How do you select the brush size?
And this is where you change your brush size. Like let's say we put a 7.
2000.
No, 2000, that's like
Too
the
big.
whole thing. You see? So don't
Doesn't
do
work.
that. That's gonna ruin your beautiful artwork.
Yes.
So 8. And here, if you want to illustrate your cover, you can draw anything you want. And here is your title of your book. Okay. And then here. So we already know that up here, which this part is where you know what's penalty. Later. Goodbye.
Wait. Do again.
So, see you guys later. Goodbye.
Okay, subscribe.
And leave a comment, please.
Yeah, everything.